Hi, John Farrell with the Farrell Law Firm. I'm here to keep you informed about significant developments that could impact your financial future. Today, we're discussing a pivotal legislative proposal, the Death Tax Repeal Act of 2025. On February 13, 2025, Senator John Thune of South Dakota and Representative Randy Feenstra of Iowa introduced companion bills in the Senate and House aiming to permanently eliminate the federal estate tax, commonly referred to as the death tax. This tax currently imposes a 40% levy on estates exceeding $13.99 million per individual. The proposed legislation seeks to permanently repeal the federal estate tax and generation skipping transfer tax, reduce the federal gift tax rate from 40% to 35%, and maintain the step-up in basis provision, allowing heirs to minimize capital gains taxes on inherited assets. Senator Thune said, "Family farms and ranches play a vital role in our economy and are the lifeblood of rural communities in South Dakota. Losing even one of them to the death tax is one too many." Supporters argue that repealing the estate tax would protect family-owned businesses, farms and ranches from financial burdens that can force them to sell assets or take on debt to meet tax obligations. They contend that the tax is a form of double taxation, as assets are taxed both during life and after death. Representative Feenstra declared, "It is ridiculous that the federal government sends grieving families a massive tax bill when a loved one passes away." Opponents, however, argued that the estate tax affects only the wealthiest individuals and serves as a mechanism to reduce wealth concentration. They expressed concerns about potential revenue losses, estimated at $20 to $30 billion per year, which could impact funding for federal programs. The political landscape plays a crucial role in the bill's prospects. While it may pass in the Republican-controlled House, it could face challenges in the Senate, where moderate Republicans might hesitate to support a repeal that primarily benefits high-net-worth individuals. As the legislative process unfolds, it's essential to stay informed and consider how potential changes could impact your estate planning strategies. Consulting with a qualified estate planning attorney can help you navigate these complexities and ensure your plans align with current laws. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to stay updated on the latest developments in estate planning and tax law. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. Until next time, take care.